Okay, at Station 3 today, your assignment, you're going to write a newspaper article using the website www.foti.com. You're going to write an article imagining you are reporting on the election of 1832. I want you to discuss who wins, what the results were, and why the Whig Party and why the Whig Party begins, not wins, because they don't win. All right, your newspaper article must be at least 10 sentences. So, like I said, focus on the who wins, what the results are, and by who wins and what the results are, I'm not just talking about go into more detail with the results. Don't just say Jackson wins or Adams wins. All right, so we're going to go to Foti, and I'm going to show you how to do www.foti.com. So go to www.foti.com and give your newspaper article your name. So I'm going to call mine Daily Norwood. And as far as the date goes, it was 1832. I'm going to let you look for the exact date, like the morning after, so you can report on the morning after this election. So I'm just going to say 1832, but you got to give me the exact date. So you got to do a little research. And the headline, you can say results are in, or you can say Jackson wins, or Adams wins, or Clay wins, or whoever wins. Just make your headline pop out. Then you're going to write your story. And like I said, make sure you discuss who wins, discuss all the effects of this election, such as who becomes vice president, discuss why people, you can also discuss why the Whig Party emerges. Okay, and by emerge, the Whig Party starts because they hate Andrew Jackson. If you'll go into details of why they might hate Andrew Jackson, that'd be great. And remember, it must be 10 sentences or more. Okay, then you're going to go down to generate. And then you're going to go to, at this point, we can, from here, I can grab this link by going to share image. And I should be able to grab this image by going to share image. If not, I can go to download image. So if you download, there we go. If you download your image, that could be another way to go about this. And then at that point, you'll have, so there's my newspaper article. At that point, don't forget to log into your Microsoft Office account. All right. Log into your Microsoft Office 365, and then from this point, all right, from this point, you log in. You remember it's, in my case, it'll be Daniel Norwood at richmond.k12.nc.us. And I'm not going to go any further on this screen so you don't see my password. But at this point, whenever you have that, you're going to attach your file, and you'll be good to go.